Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to bruises. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Bruises are unavoidable in life, but they can be painful and unattractive. Here are some things you may do to help the pain go away faster. What is a bruise exactly? A bruise forms on the skin when an area of the body is traumatized, causing small blood vessels under the skin to break and bleed blood. Because there is nowhere for the blood to go, it becomes trapped under the skin and pools, leaving a colored area on the skin that is painful to the touch. This is a bruise, also known as a contusion, and it is not permanent since your body reabsorbs the blood after some time and the bruise vanishes totally. Bruises can happen for a variety of reasons, but the majority are caused by hitting or banging into something. These bright marks can also appear when you collide with someone or anything. How can I get a bruise to go away faster? Let's take a closer look at how to get bruises to go away naturally. Cold and hot. What is the best way to treat a bad bruise? You should begin by applying some coolness. It's normal practice to administer an ice pack to the injured area for the first 24 hours. Wrap the ice pack in a small towel to keep it away from your skin. A cold compress, such as an ice pack, will assist in reducing swelling. It can also aid in the relief of any pain or discomfort caused by the bruise. To promote recovery, apply a warm compress or take a warm bath a day or two after getting a bruise. If you're wondering how to get rid of a black eye, cooling is essential. According to the Mayo Clinic, administering a cold compress as soon as possible is critical to reducing emphysema. Repeat the cold compress application multiple times a day for 1 to 2 days. Then apply warm compresses. Take caution not to put any pressure on the eye. Elevation. Another easy yet highly efficient bruise remedy is to elevate the affected portion of your body if possible. This is a very realistic and beneficial technique for getting rid of bruises on legs. Elevating the damaged area, for example, your shin, above heart level helps to reduce swelling and bruising. Elevation aids in the prevention of blood pooling in the damaged area. Top bruises foods with many aesthetic or external health concerns, such as bruises. Addressing the issue inwardly is just as vital, if not more so, as applying natural bruise cures directly to your skin. If you're wondering how to get rid of bruises quickly, you may consider eating more nutrients that encourage healing and even prevent bruising in the first place. These are some examples. Green leafy vegetables like kale, collard greens, and spinach are high in vitamin K, which is required for blood clotting. Severe vitamin K deficiency has also been linked to bruising and bleeding issues. Citrus fruits and other colored fruits and vegetables. Citrus contains vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which aid in wound healing. Zinc is required for the chemical processes that promote wound healing. Add zinc-rich foods to your diet, such as grass-fed beef, pumpkin seeds, and spinach, to boost your zinc intake. Clean, lean protein, High-quality protein is beneficial for strengthening blood vessels and promoting their healing following the bruise-causing injury. 8. Aim for 4 to 5 ounces of protein per meal. Avoidance foods healing bruises involves not just what you add to your diet but also what you exclude. I strongly advise you to avoid the following foods, which are detrimental to bruising, healing, and overall health. Sugar. Refined sugar stimulates inflammatory responses in the body and is anti-healing. Inflammation has been linked to diets high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, saturated in trans fats but low in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. 9. Trans fats. Trans fats are well known for causing inflammation throughout the body. Fast foods, fried foods, and processed foods all include trans fats. 10. Processed foods, in addition to containing trans fat, they may also contain chemicals, colors, and other dangerous ingredients. White and wheat products can behave as anti-nutrients, drawing vital vitamins and minerals from your body. Aromatherapy oils. Because frankincense essential oil is anti-inflammatory, it is an excellent choice for bruise healing. 11. Apply a few drops of frankincense oil straight to the damaged region 3 times per day. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the frankincense oil with a carrier oil first for bruise healing. 11. Apply a few drops of frankincense oil straight to the damaged region 3 times per day. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the frankincense oil with a carrier oil first. If you're wondering how to lessen bruising on your face, frankincense oil is a terrific option, but keep it away from your eyes. You can also make your own bruise cream at home with arnica and bilberry. It contains useful elements, such as frankincense oil, to help you get rid of a bruise quickly. Another essential oil with a reputation for reducing bruising is Cypress. 12. Simply mix a few drops of cypress oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply straight to the bruise.